How to transfer music from iPhone to computer. If you prefer an easy and quick way to transfer music from iPhone to computer, then the professional iPhone manager, AnyTrans, might be your choice. Firstly, download AnyTrans on iMobi website. Run it on your computer. Choose Device Manager feature on the menu bar. Scroll to the next page. Find Audio and click Music. All your music can be viewed here. You can click here to change the way to view. Then, select the music you need. Click to transfer the music from iPhone to your computer. Thanks for watching.